Hello and welcome to another video. Yes, this is also a Solana tutorial, but it is mainly my birthday celebration because today is my birthday. In fact, on 27th of February 1992 at 17:18 Central European Time, I was born. And yes, it took me exactly that 1 minute to get out. Don't question that. That's what my birth certificate says, so that's what we go with. I have no idea. I can't remember. It was fucking 30 years ago. Anyhow, today is in fact not my birthday. I'm pre-recording this because on my birthday I will be on vacation. But I want you to be able to celebrate my birthday with me anyway. So at the end of this video, I have a present for you. Yes, it's my birthday, but I still have a present for you. So stick around. And meanwhile, I have a challenge for myself. Because it's now 9:07 and at 10 p.m. I want to attend a mint. So I gotta be done with this birthday celebration video in 30 minutes. So my challenge to myself is, within 30 minutes, can I set up a candy machine for you to mint your ticket to my birthday celebration? And the answer we will know in 30 minutes. Okay, let's go. Okay. We got this. Easy. Okay. We want to navigate to the newest version that I have of metaplex. And then we want to navigate to CLI source. And here we find the candy machine. Okay, what do we need to create a candy machine? A candy machine configuration. Okay, where do we get a candy machine configuration? From the internet. Metaplex Foundation, there we go. That's what I need. And then here we have some settings for a candy machine. And then we need this. New file. We use this. We don't want a gatekeeper. Now, what do we define the price as? What do you want to pay? Nothing exactly. Right. So we need to find a way for you to mint for free. There are two ways. I could set up a token for you to pay with the token. Then essentially you don't pay anything, but then you need to get the token before. To set that up, I could easily do that, with the token program delegate and could do that, but it is a little bit more complicated. I mean, the stupid version would be to just say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the price, because that's literally one Lampert. And if the tax authorities want to tell me that I need to tax that one Lampert, then I shall present my middle finger. Also, I don't even need to provide my treasury account. I will provide, what will I provide? I will provide this token account as the recipient, because I got them canned, that's why. So we don't need that. The go live date is the 27th of February 2022 at 17:18 Central European Time, please. And the end settings are gonna be, it ends at a certain date. It ends after 24 hours, so on the 28th of February. Cool. We don't need whitelist. Anybody can mint. It's a public mint. And what you get is something that will not be revealed because I don't want to pay a lot. And the other thing is, I don't know how many of you want to mint, so there is a limit to how long the name can be, and I'm not sure if I'm exceeding it. Andy's 30th birthday ticket. 3, 4, 5. That should work. That should work now. Now, what is behind those tickets? I don't know. You don't know. I don't know. I will think about that when I'm 30. And the URL, well, we need to still provide that. cmconfig, yes, that's what I always call it, JSON. So that's for with the hidden settings. And then I'm gonna do the same with 0. No, wait, with 1 and without hidden settings. First. So first we just upload 1 and then we upload as many as we like. So 30K is gonna be the maximum. No, 300,000. 3 million even. I don't care. No, wait, it needs to be 30. It needs to be 30. Sorry, it needs to be 30. 30 million! 30 million. Because I can, that's why. I don't intend to sell out. In fact, I don't even intend to sell. Okay. So we still need to update this. Now, the question is, what do I even put there? Oh, I'm so not prepared. I am so not prepared. So I can probably answer that I will not manage in half an hour, but maybe I manage in an hour. So I need to update some metadata somewhere. This takes, wow, setting up an NFT project is much more work than half an hour. Who would have thought? It's my birthday. Beaches. Because we don't want to swear on chain. Okay. Still, we need to upload something to Arweave. I'm gonna steal that from my previous project. The whole creative part, I should have done that another time. I don't actually know what that part is gonna be about or what it means or what other perks you get. Yeah, 42%. What? Did I really set 42% seller fee basis points? No. Let's go with 30%. Because I'm 30. This is so stupid. Don't sell this ticket. Who? Me. Birthday, 30. I don't care. So we've got that. Now we need a goddamn picture. Those are my choices. Too fancy. I'm not gonna sell my own NFT. We're gonna take this one. Edit it with goddamn paint. Cause that's the thing we fucking do. Dude. Nah! I hate it. I was so close. Okay, cool. And we fucking save that. Assets 0.jpg. So in the assets, we now have a 0.jpg and the 0.json. The 0.json actually here, if you want to use GIF or anything else, then you just need to specify the different ending here, and Candy Machine will take care of that. So speaking of, Candy Machine will take care of that. Oh, speaking of, we still need money to do all of that stuff. And by money, I mean Sol. Let's find ourselves another address. B-Day 3. That's already a good one. B-Day 30th of NDS. I'll keep that. And I'll fund that. And I'll go participate in some NFT mint. And then I will be back. So yes, it takes longer than half an hour to set this up. But maybe I can do it at least in an hour. I will be back when I funded this address. Hello again on my birthday. Yes, I can make every day my birthday. I'm already stressed, so let's make this worse by giving myself yet another deadline. I give myself 30 minutes, because it's fun, to finish the thing we started yesterday. Remember, yesterday we tried to set up a candy machine. So far, we got as far as creating some candy machine configs and an assets file. And you know what? To make sure that I definitely don't earn anything with this, I'm gonna set the seller fee basis points to 0, so you can sell it for free. Then we also made a JSON file already, like a key pair that we're gonna use. So I'm gonna copy that in there as well. Here, there we go. I have 100% share, but I don't take anything. Cool, that's my assets file. And now we need to get the correct link here. And for that, we need some money. FTX, I think, is even quicker. Let's do it from FTX. Yes, I have a lot of tabs. Also, internet, come on, come on, come on. We only got half an hour. Give it to me, give it to me. Don't think I need to withdraw a lot. Come on, can you load the interface properly maybe? Come on, I ain't got time for that shit. Okay, 0.2 should definitely be enough. I'm not stressed, what do you mean? No, I'm not stressed on my birthday. Every day is my birthday. You need to be so patient here, it's ridiculous. Okay. Don't need to save that. Just put in that and let's go. Just send it. It's just 0.2 sol. Fucking just burn it. Let's get out. Let's get this party going. We have a party to attend. Okay, while we're doing that, let's prepare what we need to do with the candy machine. We need to say ts node candy machine v2. We want to upload. We want to do it on mainnet. We want to use the following key. It's my birthday key. Then we want to use the following configuration file that we find here. That's the first one. Then we say bday first. And what else? The folder, which is the assets here. That's essentially what we need to be doing. Boom. When we tried it yesterday, we just didn't have enough money. There we go. Attempt to debit an account, but found no record of a prior credit. So that just says we ain't got enough sol, which makes sense because our balance is still 0. How to set up a candy machine within 1 hour without being prepared whatsoever. I didn't even fund my account before. So yeah, we now gotta wait for FTX to send out that sol. Can we prepare anything else already? I would say yes, we can. We make a new command line and go to the candy machine UI because we will also be using a front end. And essentially that thing as it comes, it's basically good enough. I just want to change it up a little bit. So essentially what I want to be doing is in the public here, I edit the index. Essentially what I want to be doing is basically just the logo. I remove the logo, make it a logo PNG. Or to make it more obvious, I want to make it a my face PNG. And then I title it a bit different. And this bday mint. And then also in the description maybe. And this bday mint UI. I save that. So now we need the my face PNG. I'm just gonna also use that and put that here as a my face. Oh, that's a JPEG. Well, then let's make it a JPEG. Cool. That's prepared. Yeah, we have the money. Let's go. This is not good teaching. This is quick. Let's get shit done. Do this again. Do it again. Ain't got more time on my birthday. Okay, yeah, looks good. Arweave storage will go away soon. I don't care. So it's initial. Fuck. Node is behind. Stupid public RPC. Let's try it again. If the node is behind, we just say, don't care. Okay, give me another node. Give me another node that is not behind. We're still behind. Okay, fine. We're gonna use another. So I think R is the custom RPC. I'm not even sure. That doesn't look too good. But at least it's a different error. Custom program error. 0x66. What does that mean? Couldn't deserialize the given instruction. What are we doing wrong? Maybe the price is not good. Maybe I fucked that up. The rest seems fine here. I just used a random token account. Or maybe that's the problem. Let's try if it was the price. Let's try if it was the account. Nope. What else could it be? Okay, you know what's always a good idea? To git pull. Because maybe they changed something at the candy machine. And we have a different goddamn error. Yearn install. Maybe we need some more other packages. And that's exactly why you do not want to work under time pressure. If you do your own NFT collection, make sure that you do it way in advance before the mint and not the day before. Because people often just text me the day before and are like, oh, I can't get this to work, panic, panic, panic. And I feel it now. Like, if I only set myself half an hour to do this, then I'm like, fuck. Where really it's simple. I just need to relax. I just need to sit back and wait for Yearn to install the packages. In 10 more minutes, you can totally easily set that up. Come on. The only way how you can do it is to parallelize stuff. So while that's installing, let's set up the next thing that we'll need, which is some kind of hosting site. So let's go to my GitHub, create a new repository. Because I'm cheap and I want to just host it on GitHub Pages. bday mint. It's public. We create that repository. We clone this repository. I earn init. Yeah, I don't care about all that stuff. Let's go. Then we have a package JSON in which we can add GitHub Pages and then the script to deploy to GitHub Pages. If you've done that a few times, then you know how this works. And then we can just say yearn install as well. Meanwhile, that thing is installing. Now this thing is done. Let's see if that now works. Coming back to my candy machine. No, still that error. God damn it. Adding the symbol key to the metadata JSON should solve. Ah, maybe it doesn't find a symbol. Interesting. So maybe my problem is in my assets. Or maybe it doesn't like 30th. So let's just do bday then. No. Yep, okay, I think I'm gonna give up. Because I said half an hour and I will probably sit here for the next 3 hours. So to all the people coming to me who think I know everything, I don't. So unfortunately, there will not be a birthday mint. At least not one that I set up in an hour. It's probably gonna take some more time. But we are at time and I do have other things to do. So, man, but I really want to find out what's wrong here. Okay, so one last time, I wanna try this, if I can get the candy machine to work. It is already 11 and tomorrow I will fly. So in 7 hours I need to get up. So right now I'm sacrificing sleep, but I do want this to be done. I still have to find out what my error is, but let's just... Actually, I don't even want to do that. I just say Solana airdrop and I say we go on devnet. There we go. That's much easier. Such that then I can try this again with the candy machine on devnet with this key and this configuration. Let's see if it works on devnet because I've never tried that. That's correct. I say upload. I still haven't packed. I need to pack. But hey, I have priorities. Setting up a mint. Okay, also on devnet we get this error. Okay, so then let's try something different. Let's try another asset folder. Nope, same thing. Okay, then let's use a configuration that I already know works. Okay, I have made progress. I found out that using a different configuration file, it works. So What did I F up here? Let's have a look at another configuration. Oh, this has more stuff in it. So, long story short, I found the error. I was missing the gatekeeper. I think I just deleted it instead of setting it to null. What a beginner mistake. And that cost me an hour of work. Anyhow, if we save that now and revert all the other changes that we made. Now, for everybody to learn something. First of all, yes, you need to keep them null and not delete them. That's the one thing that we learned. And the second thing, because people keep asking me about those hidden settings, if you want to create a candy machine with hidden settings, this is the video where I'm gonna teach you. So let's do it. And I give myself 15 minutes to set it all up. Let's freaking roll. So with a working setup, hopefully, if I now do that, yeah, that looks much better. Such a simple mistake and takes forever to find out about. Wow. Okay, whatever. It's my birthday. I can afford to spend some time. So anyway, this is definite. We don't care about that. We want to do this whole thing on mainnet anyway. So let's do it on mainnet right away. Mainnet. And first B-Day. Okay, so boom. There we go. We're initializing the candy machine and the simulation succeeded. Isn't that nice? There. And we're uploading this. Now, here's the thing. Here's what we're doing. We're doing this in 2 steps. 1, we create a candy machine with a size of 1 without hidden settings, where we essentially just upload our assets. I don't need that anymore. We just upload our metadata with our image onto Arweave. And because we can't be bothered to use the Arweave uploader, we use a candy machine for it, because the candy machine does the upload for us. Well. Not so successfully in the writing indices, but the indices, we don't care about the candy machine anyway. Let's print the cache first. How did I call it? It didn't create that at all? Damn, I misspelled mainnet, come on. Okay, but this time. So that's a classic. Solana is super busy. You know, I don't actually need to write the indices. This is already, we don't need to do that. Because in here, we have the candy machine ID and the important thing, this thing, uploaded to Arweave. Essentially, I don't care about writing indices. What I do care about is this goddamn link. Because this link, I can now put in my new configuration with the hidden settings. I can now put this link here. By the way, if we follow that link, we should get the metadata with the image link as well. Yep, that's what you get for now. I will then manually update it, don't worry. I don't know what to yet. Again, I'll decide that when I'm 30. But this will probably change. I can't guarantee anything, but it will probably change. Anyway, so back to here. Price is 0, and please don't forget, we need to also specify that. Why did I delete that? Yeah, so 27th of February, that's my birthday and birth time. We do 1 day of mint, 24 hours, and you get this. And the hash we really don't care about. And the number, unlimited. 30 freaking million. All right, and now that we have that, we can do candy machine withdraw with my key, and then I think it just takes the candy machine ID because that's new. Let's see the help real quick, because we can now withdraw individual candy machines, and we don't need to withdraw all of the candy machines anymore. That's relatively new as well. So essentially you say withdraw candy machine ID. And the candy machine ID was this thing, withdraw, and then the candy machine ID, then I would get the money back, just that I did it on DevNet now. Now, if you know that, if I upload something on Arweave and I don't pay for it, is it then not permanent? This is still an open question for me. Right, so the 0.007 have been drained again, and we have our soul back. Isn't that nice? Okay, but now for the actual candy machine. TS node candy machine v2 upload environment mainnet beta. Type it correctly this time, please. Thank you. With my birthday key, with the following configuration: the cm config hidden, and then the bday mint. And what else do we need? The upload folder. Well, not like we need that anymore, but we can still provide that. It's a hidden setting, so we don't really use that anyway. Let's see if Sonata lets us put that on chain. No, it doesn't. Maybe it wants to allocate that much on the blockchain. Well, that's not good then. Then allocate 0. Is that a thing that you can do? Can you allocate 0? That's looking good. Cool, we have a candy machine. GXGP ZZ. Nice. That's our candy machine where you can mint on my birthday. Processing asset 0. Well, go ahead with asset 0. Skipping upload to chain, as this is a hidden candy machine. Amazing. And it has literally cost us 0.008 sol to create this candy machine. Well, that's cheap enough, I guess. We also don't need to verify, but I'll just show my candy machine just to check that it's actually properly there. Yep. The birthday child, and this is my wallet. We don't use a token mint. Items available 1. Item redeemed 0. But the times don't work. The go live. So apparently maybe it really doesn't like CET. So let's go back to GMT and just change the hour. Not like it's that important, but hey, it is to me. And then we just update candy machine. Cool. Show it to me again. That looks much better. The one thing that we still need is a mint site. And for that, we have the candy machine UI. We already made it a little prettier earlier today. And the only thing we still need to do is change this environment file here and put in the correct candy machine ID. We save that and then we just yearn build. There we go. It's built. We can test it out quickly by serving it locally. Then we would see it's the Andy's birthday mint. And when we connect our wallet, then we see this thing here. It says it's completed. Well, that's fun. Oh, I had 2021. Whoops. Well, that's a mistake, of course. I'm trying to make myself younger. Trying to make myself younger than I really am, huh? Yeah, I wish. There we go. Update finished. Not completed anymore, but it shows the time until my birthday. That's how long I'm still not 30 yet. Anyway, I can't mint because I'm not the authority and I'm not whitelisted, but I can get myself the authority wallet to mint. You know what? Let's pretend it's my birthday already, because today is my birthday. It also has gag at the end. A large gag. That's the time till end of mint, okay? And if I mint, you just have to pay the 0.011 for the token account, for the metadata account. So it's essentially a free mint, just not entirely free, but as free as I can make it for you. I prove that. And I have successfully minted myself a ticket to my own goddamn birthday party. But now it says sold out, which is a little bit of a bummer because we don't want to sell out that quickly. There we go. There we have it. We have Andy's 30th birthday. Oh yeah. And you get access to my super secret birthday party. It's so secret that nobody will ever find out about it. Or will they? I don't know. They will not get to mint more if we don't change stuff. So now that we uploaded the candy machine with a low enough number, now we can increase that size to 30 million. And then we update it again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, now we have enough for you to mint. Don't you worry. We have enough for everyone. Every bot can mint as many as they like. If they want to. So I'm not gonna mint anymore. The very last thing that we still need to do before it's midnight is to actually put it somewhere where you can access it. And because I'm cheap, I'm gonna put it on GitHub. And if we have a look at the fee redeemer, one of my favorite apps ever. It's already at 64 sol. This is so cool. We see it's loopcreativeandy.github.io/fee redeemer. So with that repository, it will be /bdaymint. bdaymint. That's going to be the link. We will have to put in here as the homepage, just so it links the things correctly. Then we need to build it again, I'm afraid. Okay, now that we've successfully built this, all we need to now do is grab the build folder, move it over to my bdaymint git, and then in here just say yearn deploy, which is gonna call the GitHub pages on build. A bit unnecessarily complicated, but it works for me. And it's my birthday, so I can do whatever I want. Okay, published. Which means that eventually under this site it will be accessible. It's probably not yet. Oh, it already is. Cool stuff. GitHub being quick this time. So go to loopcreativeandy.github.io on my birthday, of course. And on my birthday, you will be able to mint yourself a ticket to my birthday party, whatever that means. Whatever that means, I cannot tell you yet. I can literally not tell you yet what that means. But there might be some use case for this NFT. Potentially. I don't know, maybe. I can't guarantee anything. I don't want to promise anything because I don't want to promise and under-deliver. That happens sometimes. And I'm literally gone for the next 2 weeks without internet, so there we go. That's the right countdown now. There is enough for everyone, but there's not indefinite time. You need to mint it within the first 24 hours of my 31st year on this planet. Yeah, because I'm turning 30. Yeah, I will share that link with you. And it took us, a little bit over 30 minutes. All right, okay. So, I hope that you learned something today. If you want, you can go mint yourself that NFT to celebrate my birthday with me. You don't have to. I'm not gonna promote this in any way. I'm just gonna put this here and see what happens. This is a real stealth mint. Only the people who watch my YouTube video in the first 24 hours will get to mint this. Maybe if only 1 or 2 people mint, then it's gonna be an exclusive birthday party. if a shit ton of people mint, maybe it's gonna be a huge event. Who knows? Maybe I'll get to celebrate with a lot of bots. Yeah. Anyhow, thank you for watching this video, and go check out those other ones, subscribe, and I will see you when I'm back from my vacation.